Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need windshield repair, to order new parts, or a tune-up, at Patriot Subaru, we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru Master technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, check out one of the largest in-stock parts departments for genuine OEM parts in New England. Plus, we order every day, so you always get what you need fast. Get information about our customer drive-in area, where you're always protected from the weather. And see how Patriot Subaru's green policy extends to every part of our business. Talk to us about the things we do to be a good environmental citizen. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.